This video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use the Protractor and MyOpenMath. There are two different types of problems you can get with Protractors and MyOpenMath. The first type of problem has the angle already lined up to the protractor and you just have to read the number of degrees showing. The second type is more interactive. The angle and the protractor are separate. You'll need to pick up the protractor by clicking on the middle circle with your mouse, line that up to the vertex of the angle, and then use the end circle to line up to the angle so that you can read the degrees. You can use your mouse to make it smaller or to make it bigger, whichever helps you to read it, and that'll also help you to see if you have your angle lined up properly. As you pick up the protractor and place it on the angle, you can move the protractor in either direction. After you've placed the protractor on the angle, you can still move it around if you want to readjust it, and remember to pay attention to the inner angle and outer angle and use the one that is appropriate for the problem you've been given.